Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to convert a text file to CSV using script task. Okay, so first I will show my text document. This is my student text document which contains 5 columns and 3 rows. And if you can see here, every value is separated with the pipe delimited symbol. Okay, so the values in the text document are separated with the pipe delimited. So this is pipe delimited text document. I want to convert this text document to CSV file. Okay, in the same path. So in this path right now I have only one CSV file. This is sample.csv. So once after running this package, you can see here student.csv. So CSV means comma separated value. Okay. So for that I am taking new package. So first I need to create two variables. So first one is input file path. This is my first variable string. Okay. So here, so I am taking student.txt as a value, and next one output file path. Okay, this is also string. So here I am pasting, I am changing it as CSV. I am changing the extension as CSV because I need to convert the text file to CSV file. So for that reason I am giving output file path variable. I am pasting the value. Okay, CSV means comma separated value. So close it and drag script task, double click here. You need to select the created two user variables in read-only variables. So I am selecting input file path and output file path and click OK, edit script. Okay, so before the script window is getting opened, so I have the code is ready with me. So I will explain the code. So here I am creating two variables, input file path and output file path in the C# code. So I am changing this user variables to value.ToString. So now I opened both input file path and output file path using StreamReader and StreamReader. This StreamReader is for input file path and StreamReader is for output file path. Now I am declaring one more variable. Okay, string variable line. So in the while loop I am mentioning the condition while line equal to reader class. This reader class dot readLine method is not equal to null. Then only it go to next line. This is CSV line. CSV line is my variable name and string data type. In this line class replace method, I am changing the existing delimiter, that is in pipe delimited to comma delimited. Okay, so I already shown my text document student.txt, everything is pipe delimited. I am changing it to comma delimited, and finally using writer line method I am taking this csv line variable. Okay, so I am copying this code. Okay, so the namespace. So here you can see we need to add two more namespaces. First one is using system.io. This is my first namespace, and next one is using system.text. So I am adding two namespaces here. So I already copy the code here and paste it here in the public void main. Okay, and make sure once again there is no errors, and also make sure here We don't find any student.csv. I have only sample.csv. One comma separated value file in this path. So once after executing the package, you can see student.csv also in the same path. Okay. Just save the code, close the window, and click on OK. Okay. Now I need to execute the task. So once again, make sure we don't find any student.csv. So I'm going to execute the task here. Yeah, the package ran successfully, and go to the path here. Now you can see student.csv. So earlier I have only sample.csv. Now you can see student.csv. I just open the both text document and CSV file. This is my text document. Now I'm opening this csv.file into Notepad++. See here, 1001, 1002, 1003. So 3 records. Okay. In the text document also you can see same 1001, 1002, 1003. So by this way you can create the text file to CSV document. So everything is logic here. It is placed in the replace method. So this is the delimiter in the text document. We want to convert this into comma delimited, which is CSV file. So this is just from 6 lines of code. So very easy to understand. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.